Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So here is a question in which O is the center of the circle. A, B and AC are two tangents to the circle at point P and the point Q. Now this angle is given 60 degree and this angle is given 340 degrees. We have to find out the values of X and Y. So let's see how to solve this question. So this is the figure. Now we will join O and P. So since AB is tangent of the circle and OP is radius of the circle, so OP will be perpendicular to AB. Now this angle will be 90 degree. Since this is given 60 degree, so this angle, which is angle QPO, will be 90 minus 60, that is 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. Now we will take triangle POQ, this triangle. So in this triangle, this side will be equal to this side because both are radius. So this angle will be equal to this angle. So this is 30 degrees. Now this is reflex angle of 340 degrees. So this angle will be 360 minus 340, that is 20 degrees. Now this total angle, if this point is R, will be angle PQR is equal to 30 plus 20, that is 50 degree. Now by alternate segment theorem, we know angle PQR is equal to angle BPR, that is this angle will be equal to this angle. Now PQR is 50 degree, so angle BPR, that is X, will be 50 degrees. Now let us take the figure again. Again by alternate segment theorem, this angle will be equal to this angle and this is 60. It is given in the question, so this angle will be 60 degree. If this point is S, then on taking triangle SQR, we can write angle QSR plus angle SRQ plus angle RQS is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Now angle QSR plus 60 plus 20 will be equal to 180 degrees, or angle QSR is equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100 degrees. So this is 100 degree and this is vertically opposite, so this is also 100 degrees. So in triangle SPB, this is 50, this is 100 and this is Y. So by again angle sum property, 50 plus 100 plus Y will be equal to 180 degrees, which will give Y is equal to 180 minus 150 degrees, that is Y is equal to 30 degrees, and we have calculated X is equal to 50 degrees. So this is the answer for the question. I hope you understood all the steps. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.